good teamwork. Good teamwork, yeah? So, and now we need to pounding. Before we pounding, what we need to do, we need to add coriander seed. Yeah? Coriander seed. So we need to add 2 spoons coriander. And also cloves. Cloves, 4 cloves.
Oh yeah.
Wait a second. Follow me. We go to the Balinese gym.
Oh, there's the women do the work.
That's all he does.
Until we come like a piece. Okay, want to try first? Go on, Adrian. Stronger, stronger, stronger.
I'm trying.
Stronger, stronger, stronger.
Give him a sauna.
Yeah, gym in sauna. This is how it works.
So you've got to get the music going.
Yeah.
To answer your question, it's much better to have the moisture in there.
Alright, I'll believe you.
Ali, Ali, go, go, go. Ali, Ali, Ali.
We're getting there.
Doing good.
Also, you now we know those long sticks of woodwork.
Okay, you want to try? Already? Oh, yeah, okay. So we can
Absolutely.
would you please add the water? All of it.
Oh,
Yeah, all of
that's
it.
quite a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then stir it.
Stir it.
And then
Stir.
oh yeah.
Stir it up, stir it up.
1976.
Inkoken. Ik ben nu aan het inkoken.
Sweet soya. 1 teaspoon palm sugar syrup.
Palm
Yeah, we
sugar.
need high heat because we need to boil it until it becomes thicker. And half spoon beef. Salt, pepper, fraction. Yeah, this is more like a more bigger, yeah, the texture, yeah.
Yeah, but it's soft.
Okay.
Zout. Met lime.
Ja. Nou die kleine hè.
Wat gaan we nu doen, Free?
Die gele saus maken.
Oh, yellow sauce.
Dan film ik jou.
So on the fry pan we have coconut oil, and then on the plate we have the spices that you already chopping and pounding. We need to add salam leaf. Salam leaf, which is you can.
Nou zeg, coconut woman.
And together
Wat was dit nou?
Dit was de gele saus, Paul.
Nee, maar dit sprietje. Wat gaan we nu maken?
Een soep.
So we make a
Soup.
clear shallot, spring onion, and kaffir lime leaf. The kaffir lime leaf.
Paddenstoelsoep.
Aroma.
That's garlicky.
And then now you can add the mushroom in.
You make that from a cube or
We blanch the chicken bone, fresh chicken bone. We blanch until the blood gone.
Yeah.
And then we change the water with the new water.
Okay.
We change the water with the new water, and then after that we boil it again with the new water. We're adding smashed garlic.
Dan gaan we de soep opeten en pauze houden.
Chopping chili, yeah, very spicy. Little bit take it on the top, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You mix it in?
Yeah, mix, yeah. Taste it without.
Yeah, so just for the other, just come for lunch. We have tuna, we have tomato, lemon, basil leaf, and lime. Instead of tuna, you can use any kind of fish or any kind of meat.
This was
Is dat de gele saus?
Yeah,
It's a saus
the
with
magic
oil.
sauce.
yellow sauce.
The yellow sauce. Yeah.
With a lot of oil. Yes.
Wat is dat, Gerrie?
Geroosterde uien.
Oh ja, roosterd.
Mixing with glove and love. So right now, divide into 5 portions On the plate. 5% on the plate first. On the plate first, yeah?
5 porties.
Roll all the way. Like I'm making sushi, yeah?
Yes.
And then after that, we need to skewer here, close to the mixture.
And when you don't have banana, then you use kitchen paper,
Baking paper or
baking paper,
aluminium foil.
yes,
Or if you have grape leaf or wine leaf.
yes, but they're not so big.
Not so big, yeah.
For how long?
Just 5 minutes.
Oh.
5 minutes because tuna no need to cook.
Oh yes, of course.
Yeah.
Ik ruik in de rijst en de stem in de tuna.
Yeah.
In de...
Instead of minced chicken, you can use any kind of minced meat. Okay, so right now, would you please squeeze the coffee lime on the top of the chicken? On the top of the chicken.
It's dead.
And then,
Go.
This too?
One spoon.
yes, 1 spoon.
Like this.
Yes.
In the chicken.
Yeah, with the chicken. Yeah.
And this. Paper.
Beans.
You say how to make the syrup again.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Hoeveel?
I'll get it from
Something
you
like
later.
this.
Yeah. Pepper.
I struggle with palm sugar.
Or maybe a little bit more because
Yeah,
the
okay.
portion is more.
Bigger.
And this one already?
Yeah.
You mix it all together with the coconut
Oh,
as
sorry.
well.
Sorry. Lots of it.
Yeah. And mixing with the coconut, yeah?
Mixing
Oh,
together.
nog allemaal
With
bij
the
elkaar.
coconut.
Is dit voor de saté?
Yeah, this is for the
Satay
satay.
steak.
Okay, I will show you what we used to do, like a Balinese style. If it's too big, when you grill it, will be raw.
Yeah.
But if it's too small, will be burned. But when the son, when he loves cooking, so I teach her. I teach him.
Nou, ik vind het maar een erotisch gebeuren.
Almost. Working at it.
Ja.
Because the oil allows you to work.
Yeah.
So if you had more families,
Under, from the
Yeah,
under.
nice.
We're using for water basin. The yellow one.
Yeah. Coconuts for us are so expensive.
Ja. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
While we flip the satay, we flip 10 satay or 15 satay. So because the man is really just want to do easy way, the easy one. Not to let them burn.
Can I go for you?
I don't know if I've ever seen it, but it's on stick.
And okay,
You've been getting them in pieces.
because it's hot in here and smoky, now we go back to that kitchen to cook now, yeah? So this is the black rice and then the white sticky rice, we soak it in the water in about 3 hours or 4 hours. So that's why the color of the water become purple. So this is from the black rice.
Yes.
Als de olie heet is, dan moet je die stokken erin steken.
What is the name of this dish in Bali?
Balinese gerang asam. Gerang asam. Chicken stew.
Kip erbij.
And now we need to add the sauce. And then now chayote in.
Wat is dat, Freek?
Een inheemse vrucht, maar je kan ook aardappel gebruiken. Ik weet de naam niet van die vrucht.
thank you, thank you.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Thank you.
So nice.
Thank
Oh,
you,
it's the
lady.
satay. It's good.
Very nice.
You also roast it, not only... Ja, ja. Het is een dunne pan, hè?
Ja.
Yeah, we've got it, we have it at home.
And then 1 teaspoon palm sugar syrup. Balinese mustard. Balinese mustard.
flavour. I like tofu,
Yeah.
which is tempeh, but I think because it's a thin slice, it's quite nice actually.
We gaan over naar de salade.
Now we will make Balinese vegetable salad. So on the plate we have spinach blends of the bean sprout, boiled long beans, shredded coconut, and coffee lime.
This is also blonde.
Yeah, blends. Just blends in the boiling water and then we stir it. Yeah. Again, magic sauce.
And this is for the
Salad.
salad.
Balinese
Oh
salad.
yeah, Balinese salad.
But for the salad, the magic sauce not too much. Yeah. Not too much. Yellow sauce.
This is done.
And now salt.
Thank you.
Balinese salad and this is the gado-gado.
Oh, they're two different things.
Two different salads. Okay.
I'm amazed you don't have that many flies around here.
Yeah.
Because even though that you've got so much food on the table,
Sometimes we have
you're fan. Oh,
plan it. Yeah. Sometimes we put it
That
some
works.
incense. Incense. Yeah.
the inside.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Very much.
We have good teamwork. Very good teamwork. Yeah. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you for joining our class. It's my big pleasure to have you in here. But I'm sorry I didn't treat you like a guest in a 5-star hotel. This is all your masterpiece.
Okay.
Banana leaf. And also deep fried tempeh tofu with a sweet soya sauce, Balinese salad, gado-gado, and chicken stew. Sambal and sauce, peanut sauce. Yeah.
Peanut sauce. Just come in now. They're coming in.
That's okay. We don't mind.
Ja, hallo.
Thank you, Bali. Bali.
Okay.
This is done.